Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Tough to stay warm on this Valentine's Day. As a matter of fact, a 7 First Alert weather day because of the dangerous cold, meaning likely have to change your routine, your plans, and again, limit the time outdoors. Wind chill warnings across the metro area until noon Sunday. Wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour at times. I do anticipate these winds to ease a bit through the overnight into tomorrow morning, but still dangerous wind chills will continue overnight with the clear sky as well, 25 to 35 below. 9 below zero, though, the temperature forecast. Keep in mind, we are going to come close, if not beat some records this weekend. The record is 10 below, so very close to that, and we could see the same for tomorrow night into Monday. 4 degrees a high tomorrow, the coldest daytime temperature we've seen on February 15th, 6 degrees, so that would be a record if we only hit 4 degrees, a northwest wind at 5 to 15. 11 degrees on Monday. You notice that 7-day forecast, bitterly cold. The only day those temperatures are in the 20s next week on Tuesday. We do see it next weekend, which is good news, but a lot of kids off on midwinter break, so just be careful with the cold that continues. The chance for snow on Tuesday and Wednesday. It looks dry, but very cold on Thursday with a high near 12. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night and stay warm.